Yesterday we discussed about the conceptual map, the topics which we are going to cover under theme 4. So today let us see. I'm going to share the screen now. The big sky. Okay. So before that, here is an activity. You have an activity, children. See, 3 pictures you can see here. Still your friends are joining the classes. Okay. Let them admit first. Okay. So here is an activity, children. You have an activity. See here. What you have to do. Yes. Now see now. 3 pictures on the screen. Morning, afternoon, and evening. Can you see? You unmute yourself and tell me, can you see the 3 pictures on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Aslan, what is your doubt? Aslan, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I do not have the English theme for course book.
You have to come to school and collect the book.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. So now what we are going to do in this activity, see, observe the pictures very carefully. We are going to see the first letters, see the activities which we take up in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Okay, let us start the alphabetical wise. Ashrita Gautam.
Yes, ma'am.
What you will do in the morning? Give me one. You should give the answer in one word or one sentence.
I will wake up.
Okay, wake up. Good. Adya Gujja.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. What you will do in the afternoon?
Afternoon, I will
Fast,
play,
fast.
ma'am.
See, if you take much time, then you are out of the activity. Within no time, you have to give the answer. Quick
I
answer.
will play, ma'am. Play.
You'll play in the lunch. Afternoon,
No, ma'am.
afternoon you'll play.
No.
And then tell me fast. Afternoon, what will you do?
Homework.
Homework. Okay. Next, Adya Gujja.
Yes, ma'am.
Adya Gujja is
Yes,
done
ma'am.
already. AVK Ganesh.
Ma'am.
AVK Ganesh, come on. Evening, what you will do evening?
Homework, ma'am.
Okay. Advait Aryan. Advait Aryan. Morning, what you will do, Advait Aryan? Okay. Shweta,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me afternoon. Give me one word or sentence related to the afternoon.
What, ma'am?
Time up. Akshaj. 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 Akshaj, are you there in the class?
Yes, I know.
Akshaya Lakshmi. Akshaya Lakshmi.
Ma'am.
Yes. Tell me, Akshaya Lakshmi, what you will do in the afternoon?
I will lunch.
You will take lunch. Very good. Aliza,
Yes, ma'am.
what you will do in the evening?
Homework, ma'am.
Okay. Aniksai,
Ma'am.
tell me some related to the morning, a word or a sentence.
I will after wake up and I will eat breakfast.
Okay, breakfast. Good. Next one. Ashwita Nalla,
Yes, ma'am.
come on, tell me what you will do in the afternoon. Fast, fast.
I will eat
Bilvika,
ma'am.
Bilvika,
Ma'am.
tell me evening activity fast.
I'll play, ma'am.
Okay. Devansh,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me morning activity.
Ma'am, we do our class.
Very good. Dhriti,
Yes, ma'am.
what you will do in the afternoon?
Lunch.
Lunch to ho gaya. It's finished. Tell me some other word.
Take rest.
Take rest. Okay. Dhriti Reddy, Dhriti Reddy,
Yes, ma'am.
evening what you will do, Dhriti Reddy? Play. Hanvika,
Ma'am,
what you will do in the morning? Fast, fast.
we'll do homework.
Morning you will do homework. You will be attending the classes. No, when you will do the homework?
Morning में तो मैं बोल रही homework करती हूँ.
Huh? Hanvika, tell me. Not okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
we will
Jay.
get at morning.
Okay. Jay.
Yes, ma'am.
Afternoon. Tell me afternoon what you will do.
Afternoon
Huh.
I will eat something and I will sit.
You will eat something. You will take lunch. Afternoon. Huh? Okay. I want something different answers. Already it is done. Kushal Sanjay.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, tell me what you will do in the evening.
Snacks. Eat snacks.
Fast.
Eat snacks.
Eat snacks. Okay. Okay. Fine. Eat snacks. Krishika ji.
Ma'am,
Evening.
evening I will play.
Play. Lohit. Lohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you tell me what you will do during night.
Sleeping.
Sleeping. Okay. Manvit. Manvit. Meghanasri.
Yes, ma'am.
Meghanasri, when you will brush your teeth?
Night. Morning.
Morning. Okay.
And night, ma'am.
Okay, good. Morning and night. Good. Misbah. Misbah. Not responding. Pathan.
Yes, ma'am.
When will you have your bath?
Morning.
Morning. Okay. CH Shreyan.
Yes, ma'am.
CH Shreyan. Yes. And when will you see the stars in the sky?
Night.
Night. Shreyas Rao. Shreyas. Shreyas Rao. Shrihan Reddy.
Yes, ma'am.
When will you wake up?
Morning.
Good. Sri Hassan.
Ma'am.
When will you go to bed?
Good night.
Okay. Supratik Yadav. Supratik Yadav. Tanishka Dole.
What is 4 kilometers?
Tanishka. Tell me when your mother sips tea. Mother sips tea. When will your mother sip tea? Okay. Evening. Good. Children, now those who didn't get the chance, raise hand. Raise hand, those who didn't get the chance. Show me that hand symbol. Hand symbol. Those who didn't get the chance, Akshaj didn't get the chance. Akshaj raised hand. Aliza, you told. Why do you raise hand? Akshaj?
Ma'am.
Yes. Tell me, Akshaj, what you will do in the afternoon?
We will eat lunch, ma'am.
Okay, we'll eat lunch. Good. So now, children, this is the activities which we take up in different time like morning, afternoon, evening and night. And one more thing we are going to observe now, that shadow. What is that? Shadow. See the shadows, children. You observe these three pictures. Look at the three pictures carefully. The shadow. See the morning. Where is the sun? The sun rising from the east. When the sun is rising from the east, where is the shadow? Which side you can see the shadow, Pathan? Which side you will see the shadow? We'll see the shadow at the west. The sun is in the east and the shadow is in the west. The opposite direction you can see the shadow. And the morning time, the shadow will be tall. You can see the shadow tall. After the class, during the break, you will get the time. Yes, 20 minutes break time you will get. So 11 o'clock, with the help of your mother, go and stand in the sunlight. You face towards the east and see the shadow. Which side you will see the shadow. And you have to observe whether the shadow is tall or short. Will you do, children? Show me thumb. Will you do that? Yes. Observe with the help of your parents. Now next one, say afternoon. Afternoon shadow you see, children. You see the afternoon shadow? Yes. Afternoon shadow is very short. It is very, very short. Where is the sun? Sun is right on our head. Yes, at the middle. That is the midday. The sun is top on our head and the shadows will be short at noon. And see the evening image. Where is the sun? The sun is west. It is sunset time. Sunset time. So sun sets in the west. Yes, which direction the sun sets, children? In the west. You can unmute and you can tell me. And which?
West.
Yes, sun sets in the
West.
sun sets
West.
in the west. Very good. And
Yes.
which side will you? Which side you are able to see the shadow? In the evening, east side. Yes. Okay. Now listen. West side is the sun, so the shadow is in the east, opposite direction, and the shadow is very, very tall. Yes, morning and evening the shadows are tall. Morning and evening the shadows are tall, and afternoon the shadow is short. Yes, children, am I right? Morning shadow is tall, evening shadow is tall, and afternoon the shadows are short. The sun rises in the, tell me, the sun rises in the
Morning.
east. In which direction? The direction you have to tell. The sun rises in the east. Very good. And the sun sets in the
West.
west. Okay, now morning shadows are
Morning shadow.
tall. Morning shadows are
Tall.
tall. And the evening shadows are also
Tall.
tall. And afternoon the shadows are short. Short because the sun is right straight on our head. Yes, so the shadow will be very, very short. See, on the south direction, you can see the sun on the south direction and the shadow in the north. See the shadow, it is very short. Now children, open your here we have a poem. You have to open your Global English. Open your Global English, everyone. Page number 48. Page number 48, The Big Sky. Come on, children. Global English, page number 48. We have a poem. We have a poem.
Ma'am, I already read this poem. It's so nice.
Yeah, once again, we will read now. Come on, children. Let us practice this reading. My shadow. Children, don't disturb our students. Okay, now see. My shadow. Who wrote this poem? A person who writes the poem is called a poet. So what is the name of the poet here? Robert Louis Stevenson. Who wrote this poem? Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay. So let us read the poem now. My shadow. I have a little Repeat everyone. I have a little
I have a little
shadow
shadow. What is
that
shadow?
goes.
I have a
Children, page number 48 of Global English. Anik Sai. Come on, children. All together. I have a little shadow
little shadow
that goes
that goes
in and
in
out with me.
out with me.
I have a little shadow
I have a little shadow
that goes
that goes
in and
in and
out with me.
out with me.
And what can be the
What can be the
use of him
use of him
is more than
is more than
I can see.
I can see.
He is very, very like me.
He is very, very like me.
Yes. From the hills
From the hills
up to the head.
from the head.
And I see him
I see him
jump before me
jump for me
when I jump
when I jump
into my bed.
into my bed.
Very good, very good.
Ma'am, give one chance to everyone. We'll sing by one
Yes,
side.
yes, yes. First we will sing this poem with actions, then I will give you chance, okay? Yeah, repeat with me. Let us do with actions. Come on. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. And what can be the use of him? As more than I can see. He is very, very like me. From the hills up to my head. He is very, very like me. From the hills up to the head. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. Very good, children. Very good. So today you have to practice this poem with actions. Take the video, record it, and share with me. Will you do, children? Show me thumb. Good, good. And did you enjoy today's class? The poem with actions?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you enjoy?
Yes, ma'am. Very
Yes,
much.
it was very nice. My shadow.
Ma'am.
Yes. Now we have, very good, very good. So now we have one exercise. See, page number 48 of your Global English. There are three pictures. Yeah, there are three pictures showing the morning, midday, and afternoon. What is the difference between midday and afternoon here? Morning we know. Midday, it is exactly like middle of the day. Middle of the day, like 12 o'clock. Okay, 12 to 1 o'clock you can take. Afternoon means after that, after 1 o'clock and 1:30 you can take after the noon time. Afternoon means after the noon, after the midday. Okay, so now you see here what are the activities. Look at the picture and tell me now. In the morning you can see there the sun is rising in the east and you can see the shadow. You can see the shadow in the west side. And see the midday. The midday the sun is in the north. Yes, top. Yes, and the shadows are very, very short. Next one, see the afternoon. See the afternoon. The shadow is tall again and the sun is in the west. So now the girl who is there in the picture, her name is Sally. What is her name? Repeat, children. Repeat, everyone. What is the girl name?
Sally.
Sally. Yes. So now,
Sally.
very good. Now see
Ma'am,
here.
that video you sent in MCB.
Which video? Okay, I'll talk to you. Next one, see the page number 49. See the page number 49. Here we have some more pictures. First one, what is the first picture? Can you see there? Tell me. What is in that picture? Sky. And the second picture?
Sky, ma'am. Sky.
Second picture?
Sun.
Sun. And the third picture?
Cloud.
And fourth picture?
Shadow.
Shadow. And there are two lines. And there are two lines. One is long and the other one is short. Now here you have 4 blanks that fill in the blanks. Okay, you have to complete it now. Now see here, Sally is talking to her mom in the afternoon. She's talking to her mom in the afternoon. Take the pencil, children. Get ready with your pencil. And now tell me, is her shadow long or short? Her shadow is afternoon. Tell me, her shadow is tall. Very good. Right there, tall. What is the spelling of tall?
Tall.
Yes, T-A-L-L, tall. And is the weather sunny or cloudy? The weather is
Cloudy. Ma'am, in first line.
cloudy. The weather is
Sunny.
sunny.
Sunny, ma'am. Ma'am,
The spelling sunny.
Ma'am.
S-U.
Sunny, ma'am.
Yes, right, sunny. Sunny.
Shadow.
S-U-N-N-Y, sunny, right? And next one, see. Sally looked at her shadow in the morning. Next one, was her shadow long or short?
Short.
Very good, short.
Short.
Short. Very good. Morning shadow is short.
Long. Big.
Long. Next, in the morning,
Ma'am,
was the weather sunny or cloudy?
Long.
The weather is sunny again.
Ma'am.